Brazil's Supreme Court on Tuesday began hearing closing arguments in the landmark trial of former President Jair Bolsonaro. The right-wing firebrand is accused of orchestrating a plot to remain in power after he lost his 2022 reelection bid. U.S. President Donald Trump, who denounced the trial as a witch hunt against his Brazilian ally, has used the case as his main argument to impose sweeping 50% tariffs on many Brazilian goods.
Brasil chega hoje.
Supreme Court Justice Alexandre de Moraes, who is overseeing the proceedings, has been sanctioned by the U.S., and the visas of most of his colleagues were taken away. In his opening remarks on Tuesday, Moraes said a, quote, criminal organization had tried to coerce the Supreme Court's submission to, quote, the scrutiny of a foreign state. He said those efforts would not affect the court's decision. Bolsonaro's son, Congressman Eduardo Bolsonaro, moved to the U.S. in March to start a campaign in his father's defense and has claimed credit for Trump's retaliation against Brazil and Moraes. Both father and son are now under investigation for inviting Trump's interference. Bolsonaro has consistently maintained his innocence even as he relinquished any hope of being acquitted, as he told Reuters in a July interview. Political tensions have stayed high in Brazil, with Bolsonaro's supporters continuing to rally outside his home. The final stretch of the trial is expected to conclude by September 12th.